Namaste student. Today we will learn the civics third lesson, state government. Already we are study finishing second lesson, central government. This lesson we are study the state government. Okay. In this lesson we will study the structure of the state government. Then we will understand the powers and the function of the governor, then chief minister and speaker. Then we know about the state legislature. Then we understand the functioning the judicial system in the state level. Okay, this is also we will study this lesson. Okay, state government. Already we know is our government is a federal government is joint and central and state government also having. Then separate system only. Central is like a separate system. Then state also separate system of administration for the our union and states. Okay. Then in our country 28 states and 9 union territories is the one union territory is Delhi, it's a capital territory, already know, okay. In the state government, part 16, 6, it's our in constitution, tells the article 152 to 237, it tells what are the administration process, then state government, the structure of state government also it's included in the articles. Okay, first we will see the structure of the state government. Its state government it consists of 3 organs. Okay, one is executive, another one is legislature, then third one is judiciary. Then executive it consists of governor, then chief minister and council of ministers. Then legislative council, upper house, like same the central government like having same only. Then legislative council, upper house, then legislative assembly, lower house. Then in judiciary section, high court, district court, then other court also having. This is the structure of the state government. Okay, now we will see the first one, executive. Executive is consist of first one, governor, so first we will learn the governor. Governor is the constitutional head of the state executive. Executive means administration. Okay, he is the head of the executive organs. Okay, then he is a separate governor in each state. How many states? Already 28 states studied, already studied, So each states has a separate governor. Okay. Then sometimes the same person may be appointed 2 or 3 states. Okay. In article 157, this is the executive power of the state in the governor. This article only tells that governor of the power, executing power in the also that tells. Okay. Then appointment. The governor, how is it appointed? How appointed? You see, the governor of the state shall be appointed by the president. The governor is appointed by the president. His term period is 5 years. Okay, his term period is 5 years. Then that the governor does not belong to the state where he is appointed. Sometimes any person or citizens he want to be a governor, that time he is not the third particular state citizen, not okay. அந்த மாநிலத்தை சேர்ந்தவரை அவர் என்ன பண்ணக்கூடாது, இருக்கக்கூடாது. He appointed the other state. Okay, Then he can also transfer from one state to another by the president. Transfer also it's happened by the power has the president only. Then he can also resign anytime addressing his resignation to the president. He maybe want to resign, he means give the resign letter to the president. Then the legislature of the state or high court has been role in the removal of a governor. Then this is the legislative of the state or high court is not the power to not have the power to remove the governor. A person, any one person may be appointed a governor for any number of terms. Maybe this term period is 5 years, after finishing the term period, then the same person will become the next year also governor. He will become the governor. That is possible, accepted for our constitutions. Okay. Then he should not be a resident of the state concerned. He is not a same state. He should not have the same state citizens residents. Then according to Article 158 A, where the same person appointed as the governor of two or more states, some same person only, it's act as a many states of governor. Okay, that also acceptable. Then what is the qualification of the governor? Article 157 and Article 158, the Constitution of India specify the eligibility requirements, the post of governor. What are the eligibility? He should be a citizen of India. Then he must have completed 35 years age. Then he should not be a member of parliament or of any state legislative. It's the same only. She should not be a member of parliament, otherwise state legislative, not a member. Then if he is a member of any legislative means, or he automatically vacate the seat and assuming the office. Maybe he am one of the member of the legislative means then after he will become a governor, after that post was vacant. Okay. Then he should not hold any the profitable occupation. This is the qualification of the governor. Okay, ma.